Introduction. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science which offers with assisting machines locate solutions to complicated problems in a more human-like fashion. This typically involves borrowing traits from human intelligence and making use of them as algorithms in a computer-pleasant manner. A more or much less spendy or efficient technique can be taken relying on the requirements established, which impacts how artificial the intelligent behavior seems. Particular packages of AI encompass professional systems, speech recognition and gadget vision. Artificial intelligence has to have good admission to gadgets, categories, properties and relation between all of them to enforce know-how engineering. Initiating commonplace experience, reasoning and problem-solving strength in machines is a difficult and tedious project. These strategies had been and continue to be carried out to a wide range of issues that rise up in robotics, commerce, scientific analysis, medical, gaming, mathematics, and military planning and logistics, to name a few. AI systems are surely very beneficial. As the world will become extra complicated, we want to leverage our human sources and remarkable PC systems help. This also applies to programs that require intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a subfield of computer science dedicated to solving cognitive issues normally associated with human intelligence, which include learning, problem fixing, and sample recognition. AI is unexpectedly remodeling our global with innovations like self-sustaining motors driving our metropolis streets, non-public or personal digital assistants in our homes and pockets, and direct human-brain interfaces which can assist a paralyzed character experience again whilst using a mind-controlled robotic arm and more. The term artificial intelligence is also used to describe an asset of machines or programs, the intelligence that the device demonstrates. AI studies makes use of equipment and insights from many fields, including computer technology, philosophy, psychology, neuroscience, cognitive science, linguistics, operations research, economics, managed principle, possibility, optimization and logic. AI research additionally overlaps with responsibilities such as robotics, managed structures, scheduling, information mining, logistics, speech popularity, facial recognition and more different fields. AI will become smarter and learns quicker with extra data, and every day, agencies are generating this fuel for running different machines, learning and deep studying answers, whether amassed and extracted from a data warehouse like Amazon Redshift, floor truthed through the power of the crowd with Mechanical Turk, or dynamically mined through Kinesis streams. Further, with the arrival of IoT, sensor technology exponentially provides to the amount of statistics to be analyzed, records from assets and locations and objects and occasions that have previously been almost untouched. AI is completed with the aid of reading how human mind thinks, and the way people analyze, decide, and work at the same time as looking to clear up a problem, and then using the results of this take a look at as a basis of developing clever software and systems. Artificial intelligence consists of video games playing, programming computer systems to play video games together with chess and checkers. Neural networks, systems that simulate intelligence by trying to reproduce the types of physical connections that occur in animal brains. Robotics, programming computers to look and pay attention and react to different sensory stimulation. Expert systems, programming computer systems to make choices in real existence conditions. Herbal language, programming computers to recognize natural human languages. Some definitions of artificial intelligence. It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. Stanford. Artificial intelligence is the study of man-made computational devices and systems which can be made to act in a manner which we would be inclined to call intelligent. The University of Louisiana at Lafayette. Defining artificial intelligence isn't just difficult, it's impossible, not the least because we don't really understand human intelligence. Paradoxically, Advances in AI will help more to define what human intelligence isn't than what artificial intelligence is. Orally. The ability of a machine communicating using natural language over a teletype to fool a person into believing it was a human. AGI, or artificial general intelligence, extends this idea to require machines to do everything that humans can do, such as understand images, navigate a robot, recognize and respond appropriately to facial expressions, distinguish music genres, and so on. Matt Mahoney, PhD, data compression expert.
Subscribe to our channel, Interview Gig. Visit our website for more articles and interview questions and answers. www.interviewgig.com. Leave a comment and like. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Click the bell button for latest updates.